guys, welcome to my channel. For those who doesn't know me yet, I'm Miss Jane Oandasan. My channel is all about business, online income, and adventures. So now, I will discuss you about how to start a water refilling station business.
Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell and then type your question here in the comment and then comment.
I would like to have a big shout out to JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station is located at Boston Heights, Toclong, Kawit, Cavite. So for those who are located at Imus and Kawit, Cavite, you can order purified water at JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. How to order? You can text or call this number. For those Globe user, it's 0977-3975-645 or Smart 0939-219390. Or you can also message at Messenger JJ Diamond. You can also like its FB page and YouTube channel JJ Diamond Water Refilling Station. No worries guys, I input those informations including the link on my descriptions below for you. I will discuss you on how to earn money online even you are not yet monetized. In here, you can earn up to 700 US dollar or 30,000 pesos in a month, and at the same time, you are earning watch time. So it depends on how you will work for it. I will show you step by step. Let's talk about how to get 4,000 watch hours in your videos. This watch hour is one of your YouTube requirements so that your YouTube channel will be monetized, and if that's so, you will make money online.
Don't you know that if you have a lot of subscribers and watch in YouTube, then you can gain a lot of money in YouTube? Alright, so let's find out how it is. Paano nga ba kumita ng pera sa YouTube? So abangan nyo po ito at sasabihin ko po sa inyo kung ano po ang sikreto, okay? Kung paano tayo kikita ng pera sa YouTube.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so let's start discussing how to start water refilling station. Of course, guys, before you will put up your business, you need to consider a lot of things or factors. Okay, so first thing you need to know is location. Check where you will put up your business. Is it good water authority like Nawasa or Water District or Basic Water? Okay, is there any customer surrounding on this area? So those are the questions you need to know about location. And then the second one, you need to know some distributors or manufacturers of water refilling station. So you need to speak with them. Tell them that you like to put up your own water station. So from there, check which manufacturers who can satisfy you. Like maybe the most affordable but having quality for you. Alright, and then the third one. So if you already decided to go with the manufacturers of your choice, then get some sample water to that manufacturer so that they can conduct water analysis or testing of source. What is this all about? If we say water analysis, that means that you need to have a testing of source of water so that they know what product they're gonna put up on that area. What are those products? Well, we have mineral, purified, alkaline, distilled, or whatever water is good for your location. Always remember that they have different pH level qualifications. For example, you cannot put up just a mineral water station on the area wherein water needs to be purified or filtered to make it more advisable. So now, let's go to orientation, seminar, or training. So in here, your manufacturer will discuss you all about the products that is good for you based from the sampled water you submit. So they can discuss what are the difference of all these products, and they will offer you all the options that you may like. After all the discussions, then think about it. Are you going to push through or going back crying about the prices? Well, it's up to you. You have your own decision. Well, if you're gonna push through, you really decided to put up a water refilling station, then you need to sign the contract. Yeah, so the fifth one is the contract signing. It's showing all the terms and conditions in here. After signing, then the sixth one, pay for the required amount so that they will give you the layout of your water station after a week. Alright, so if you have the layout already, then let's proceed to number 7. Okay, proceed to constructions. Check where to put the faucet, lavatory, and whatever needed. Prepare all the equipments needed. After constructions, then call the manufacturer and be ready for your whole payment so that they can schedule you an installer. Okay, so after installed, of course, again, the installer will give you training on how to operate this water refilling, like how to backwash, how to refill, and many more. You will discuss also about your productions. So always remember that raw water is different to finished water productions, okay? So again, from your finished production, you need to get sample of that and submit to HYDROLAB company or any licensed company to test your product if it is already good for business or not yet. If you have already the result of your sample product and it turns good, then process all your legal documents like barangay permit, sanitary permit, municipal permit, or whatever needed for business. If you have already all of these documents, then you are ready for business. You can start now. Wishing you all the best and God bless to you and to your water refilling station. If you have more concerns or questions regarding this topic, then you are free to comment on my comment box below. Thank you very much. Just want to have a big shout out to the following channels: Kaimba channel, Pinoy Adventure TV, Vidal Pablo, and my Jane's Vacation Rentals. My vacation rental channel, Jane's Vacation Rentals. Don't forget to subscribe. You can like the page on the Facebook page and subscribe to this channel and check what are the available rooms or units for short or long-term rentals. You can check in Metro Manila, SMDC Light Residences located at Mandaluyong, Silk Residences located at Santa Mesa, Manila River City Residences located at Santa Ana. For Cavite area, Amaris Homes located at Bacoor, Cavite. There are more vacation rentals still for constructions, so just keep browsing Jane's Vacation Rentals on the FB page to see all the available units that is good for you.